why choose PXG? Okay, so introducing the Prospera X Global, our business model. Our company combines proven system, leadership, and experience to operate high-growth industry such as health, wellness, and online travel. So meron pa itong affiliate marketing for direct selling. We also have drop shipping. We also have online travel agency, and we have leverage network marketing, all in one platform. To justify everything, why PXG is the best choice. In just 2 months of operation, the company has already released more than 2 million bonuses. Can you imagine? 2 months operation, going 3 months pa lang. They are already somebody, no, several person na nakapag-achieve na po ng kanilang sasakyan. Isang single mom, ngayon may sarili ng dinadrive ng kotse niya. From ordinary person to extraordinary person. That's the opportunity here in PXG. And not only that, he's also the first person to hit the 200,000 6 figures in less than a month. And now, he is owning his time, his income, and his future. A former OFW, a former employee right now, grabe. Isang successful na po siya na negosyante, entrepreneur. For the past 2 months, ay grabe po, meron na pong yacht cruise qualifiers na makakasama po sa escapade po na yan. Kakain po sila doon, buffet, magta-travel po sila hanggang maghapon. We are located, no, at the very heart, business center of Ortigas, at 31st floor, Burgundy Empire Tower, ADB Avenue Corner, Garnet, and Sapay Road Center, Pasig City. Sa likod lang po ng Robbins Galleria. In just a matter of 2 months, going 3 months pa lang po, there are times na halos hindi na po mahulugang karayom yung opisina po natin. Sa sobrang ganda po ng opportunity na nakita nila. We are operating with legal compliance po. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi. Kaya this is a very promising company. Our management team is composed of seasoned leaders with extensive operational and managerial experience, which bringing them over 20 years of expertise in both traditional businesses operations and the leverage marketing. Alam niyo po ba, if there is one thing they have in common, all of this person halos po nakapag-run na po ng kanya-kanyang negosyo. Kanya-kanyang, kumpanya before. And right now, nagsama-sama po sila to drive another opportunity para po sa ating lahat. Combined experience is more than 100 years business experience. So ano po yung atin pong advantage? Building and scaling successful companies, leading large organization, developing effective business system, managing operation and trainings, and so on. Makakaasa po kayo. Hindi po sila mga baguhan. Hindi po sila mga wannabes. Nakausap ko na po sila. Starting with our founding president and chief operating officer, Ms. Cheryl F. Edman. Talaga naman po. Hindi lang po isa, 2 beses po ito. Lahat po ng kumpanyang pinasukan, lagi po siya nasa top performer. Ganun po katindi ang ating po mga owners. You know what? He is also one of the mentors of the mentors. He is also one of the consultants sa mga different companies na nagpapaturo para paano lumaki yung kumpanya nila. And this person is not just an MLM leader. Isa po itong businesswoman. Having a sales of 1 billion per year for 4 consecutive years. How is that? Iba po yun. And of course, together with our founding Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Ramon Henson, the MLM icon maker. You know what? Grabe po. Napaka-competitive po ng mga to. At nasa prime age po sila to drive our company para po lumaki ng lumaki. This person is the one who is the driving force behind 100 plus Filipinos or distributors who become millionaire in less than a year. 100 plus. More than 100 millionaires. And together with Alan Barnuevo, our founding vice president, ito yung strategist MLM leader po na talagang napakagaling sa numero. That's why we have this, one of the best, if not the number one, but one of the best complan in the world. World class po talaga. Dinagdagan pa po ng mga expert VPs po natin with VP Mark Camarasigan for Business Development and Network Operations, VP for Expert Travel Solutions, Sir Sel Bolano. Grabe po, ang ganda po ng rhythm, ang ganda po ng kanila pong samahan. Not only that, we have our health and product support system. Andiyan po yung ating in-house doctor, Dr. Anthony So, a medical expert doctor. Isa po itong physical medicine and rehabilitation with over 20 years of clinical leadership experience. Napakatindi. And of course, ito pong asahan nyo with our product, why it is a world-class product because since 2009, nag-ooperate na po sila, no, nagsusupply po sila local and international, hindi lang po ng mga supplements ng vitamins, but pharmaceutical laboratories po sila.